We are at Dalton Farms,
Yeah, Dalton.
right?
Over there.
What are you eating here?
Hot dogs,
Huh?
some nachos.
So you can see it. You can take a truck ride over. So we are at. Where are you right now?
We are in New Jersey, Dalton
Farms for tulip. Tulip Festival. So welcome to our channel, and we are going inside, and let me show you what it is. So this is all hours, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and it's and all information over here, and you can book tickets online. And you can see such a beautiful area around. So we are taking picture each and every steps. So this is Dalton Farms, the Dalton Farms here, and this is whole map here. They
There's
have
a
given.
pool. There's a pool.
So let's go inside. Visha, you excited?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you gonna see there? The tulips.
Yeah, tulip.
And you can see.
There's a farm.
Like so many people are coming out now.
Mommy, look at this.
And at this time right now we have entered at by like 12:22
Yeah, toy.
p.m. and now we are going to see how it's gonna be. So this is our first time we came here just to see to get experience because we never came this kind of tulip festival. So this is our first experience with this.
Yeah.
But we already experienced so many winter things, summer things
Look over
also.
there. Look over
But
there.
this is specially for spring,
Do you
right?
see that bunny ears?
It's in New Jersey and the rating is very good. Spacious. You'll get, they were saying almost 100 million flowers.
Huh.
Means
Okay.
100 million means 1 lakh is 10, 1 million is 10 lakh. मतलब 1 करोड़ flowers है इस पूरे farms के अंदर.
Let's see
There's some over there.
kind of flowers.
There's lads over there.
QR code's up and ready. Easter Bunny is here until 2 o'clock in the Lighthouse Field.
Uh-huh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is our entrance gate now. Welcome to Dalton Festival of Tulips. And we are entering here. So, yeah, no, this is not free. We have to buy tickets to come here. Nothing is free in America. Yay! So you can take your bucket from here and pick the tulips, whatever you want. This is such a beautiful tulip garden here. So many varieties of flowers here. You can see, you cannot even miss one even single tulip. And you can see this lineups, like you can see they are looking very nice in line. So this is amazing festival, all people grabbing their favorite tulips, and they are choosing their own flowers in their own way and spending family times here and enjoying each and every moment. And today's weather is very nice according to this like fest here, so because we can see the actual color of tulips. It's sunny. They're taking pictures, very nice, which is very nice, and like you can and see the best thing is like sunny day. You can see actual colors of these tulips here. Otherwise, if it is rainy or no, cloudy weather, you cannot even see the actual color of the flower. So it's a big ground, like till that area which is like still not explored yet, and we are moving that area also, which is like tulip is still coming up, and that festival is gonna be stay a little longer. So you can see it. You can take a truck ride over also. So I think it's free. We have to check it out. We are enjoying the whole round of this field. So you wanna go on this truck, right? We have to
know where we can go.
So let's see, we can hop on in this truck or not. We have to ask them. Can we hop on? No. So we cannot hop on from this, right? We have to think, wait. A wagon stop here, so we are waiting for our wagon. It's coming there from there, so we have to sit down on wagon. Wanna sit now? Yeah. Okay, let's go. How's that? You wanna see the view from there? Okay, let's see how's gonna be the view from here.
हम ऐसे देख सकते हैं पास से ऐसे turn
You wanna sit there?
We can turn like this.
You can sit both together on this chair. Okay, now it started. This area is woods this side, and this is totally full of tulips. Sammy, you can see it behind you. The tulip that side also. And you can see that side also. Same view, but it's better view from this truck. Really? Ah. This is a full truck with tulips.
Delton Farms.
You can see the way they made a line. They're standing up in line for picture clicks. So,
It's a giant slider.
so you can see, I just found something which is like, this is a big, huge line for the bunny picture clicks. So somebody was asking me, like, where is the bunny picture clicks? So it was there. So when you're here, like on truck, you can see everything. Where is the event going on? Like which area? We cannot walk. It's a big farm, so that's why it's very hard to walk all over the farm. So we have so many stop sections. Whenever you want to get down, wherever the place, so you can get down to visit that area. So you can see this is some new flowers here, this side, and food cart is also there. So what kind of food you need, you can buy here. This is the area of playing for the kids also, so they can enjoy. Yeah.
Join the park and everywhere. And you can pick up the flowers.
Yeah, you're right.
And don't broke it over top.
Uh-huh.
Let's broke it everything.
Okay.
Get all one and get different.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a giant slide and swing. Two things.
Okay. You liking it?
Yes.
Here? Okay.
Yes.
So it's time to get down. Let's go.
Yes.
Yeah, 'cause it goes over there.
So we get down here with this area, which is a big slide over here. So, yeah, she can ride if she wants. So there are so many activities over here. So kids can play with their bike riding, slides, and like so many over there also. So many options for the kids. So if you are coming here, bring your kids for the good enjoyment they can do, and they can spend a lot of time here, like by 6 p.m. and they can enjoy a big festival here. People are like, yeah, we can go also. It's fun. So Sanvi and Misha are there. They are going to come from the slide now. Awesome! How was that? Good? Misha, you want to try again? They would never want to leave from here. Good fun for kids.
$15 is super fun. You can go and do some biking or cycling, whatever. It's fun.
So,
And there's
so
a
many
riverside also. You
Ah.
can go to the riverside. We'll go riverside.
So many things to do here. And now Misha and Sanvi, they are coming. Misha, she already got her bike. And now Sanvi, go get your bike also. Wow, you were playing in slides. It's a big slide area.
Where am I going?
Huh?
Where am I going?
You liked it? And oh my god. So we came on other area, other side of this Darton Farms, and this is a chicken feeding station. You can feed the chickens here. You can see some roosters, some this is it. What are you doing? You want to take out some food? Chicken, come here, please. We got some food for you. Oh God. Careful, careful. Little stay away. This is such a huge range of flowers. You cannot even miss even a single row. So after tulip section, we came here at the Darton Farm, same area, but with the riverside. You can see this is the riverside area. Take a ride on boats. So and I can see that he's singing the song.
People keep repeating, you'll never fall in love. Everybody keeps retreating, you can't seem to get enough. If my love will bring you down, open the door. If my love will bring you down.
So it's this little sand area they created here, like a beach, white sand beach kind of. You wanna come this side? You wanna come this side? Okay, go. Go. So this is like full of fun, this place. So you can experience so many things here. So it's saying like no swimming here, but I think this is a rental boats here. I don't know. So maybe somebody like they all, no, maybe they do some party overnight, take some kinds of. Ah. What do you got? The sand toys here? Okay. So we came here just to share with you this moment. And after this, like there's gonna be sunflower event here at the same place. So I will tag you in the link down below so you can see where you have to come. So if you're living in nearby New Jersey, so it's very easy to visit here. So from our place, it's like 30 minutes away. We are in Philadelphia. What happened? So how you liking it? Huh? What you eating here?
Hot dogs,
Huh?
some nachos.
Wow, nachos. You were hungry? Okay. Okay, you can eat it. How's that, Sanvi? It is spicy or not spicy? Good? Okay.
लो मैं खींच देता हूँ। ये लो तुम्हारे पैसे।
So this is the area we came here from Riverside, And this is the beautiful princess house full of flowers. So now we are back to pavilion. We are going back to other area, which is this is very big farm. So we are even not finished yet. Okay, right? So we are going back. We have to sing song. कौन दिशा में लेके चला रे बटुहिया ओ शहर शहर ये सुहानी सी डगर जरा देखन दे देखन दे कौन दिशा में लेके चला रे बटुहिया Look at me, Sanvi. Oh, you're looking pretty. Which song you wanna sing? Which song Misha gonna sing? So we are going to check out now? No. So we are here, the same place where we entered in the beginning. And you can see such a beautiful candles, bee wax candles. Good. It was the end of the day, I think. So almost 5 p.m. actually. So we are going to leave from here. The place, I think we came here like 12:30 around. We came here. It's almost 3 to 4 hours here we spent. It's such an amazing experience over here. We want to come here again and again. I think in in the winters also, before in Halloween, I think. So let's see how it's gonna be, because this was the first time we came here. So it was our experience. If you liked our video, so please subscribe our channel as much as you can, and forward this as much as you can, so everybody can come here if nobody knows about this place. So if you're feeling like this video was knowledgeable for you, so you can subscribe and you can forward this for others and click the bell icon so you can see our new video updates.
And then you want to say in the vlog.
Oh really? Yes. She did hard work today, and still she is making video for you. So at least subscribe for her. Okay. And yeah, if you know more about this place, you can also share with this, and you can comment down below. So let's see. Okay, we're gonna check out here. Bye. Bye. Bye bye Dalton Farms. It's Dalton or Dalton?
Yeah, Dalton and Dalton.
Dalton.